So, how's it going?
Tim, I've split up with Dwayne.
How did it go?
Pretty good.
Pretty good.
Yep, she split up with Dwayne.
Right.
Yeah, she said she was feeling a little bit confused, but basically, I think she wants me back. We're going to meet at the Bell later on, talk at length.
Right.
Yes, and I've got a funny feeling she's going to want me to move back in with her.
What was that?
It was our new doorbell. I bought it back from the shop. It was going to be a surprise.
It was a surprise.
Good.
What do you mean you've got a funny feeling?
But I just know, you know. I can read her like a book.
Don't judge a book by its cover.
He who dares wins.
Look before you leap.